Here I have J.Cool and let me show you how to change the wiper sensitivity. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's find and select the settings icon. It's located right here at the top right corner, and here as you can see you can choose the wiper sensitivity. So you can adjust how quickly the automatic rain sensors triggers the wipers. It could be low, normal, high or maximum. As you can see, maximum is the highest one. I think the lowest is the best for me. I like to have like the lowest sensitivity of my wipers. From my experience, it's working the best, but you can change it and just choose the best level that you would like to use. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.